Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take dual view recording. Okay, that is both rear camera and front camera will be used for recording a video. Okay, so let's see how it works. First, go to camera in your phone and click on more button. Click on more button and here select dual view. Okay, so this is called dual view, and now you can record video. Okay, for example, if you are recording video in portrait, yes, you can record. Okay, so see in the background, this is this subject Kinder Joy is in back camera, and also see here, it focuses on me. Okay, I am speaking as of now, and that's also recording, and so it's like a director view. Okay, wow. So if you are taking a video and at the same time if you would like to give your face or the at some corner, then you can use this. Okay, this is called dual view recording. Okay, I stop it. Now I play the file. Okay, see here. Wow. Okay, so see here. See in the background, this is so in this way this subject Joy is in. So in this way you can easily do dual view recording in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.